So the number one principle to anybody becoming wealthy is to spend less than you make, invest the rest. And when you invest the rest, it should be somewhat intelligent. When we start talking about spending less than you make, it's pretty important that we create a spending plan. Now, we have a sister website. Most of the stuff is free on there. It deals specifically with financial freedom, not necessarily anything to do with trading. We have how to make a spending plan, or in other words, a budget for yourself. And we go over various principles on how to become wealthy through proper practices with money. But to give a very short summary, if it can't be paid for with cash, don't buy it unless whatever you're buying appreciates in value over time at a greater rate than the cost of the money plus the operating costs of the expense that you paid for. The only exception here, generally, ideally, is going to be your primary residence. Primary residence, you have to have a place to live. If you're not in a house, you're going to have to pay rent. So, that's going to be an expense to you, but generally that one is one that's typically worth financing.